Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I love it that you came back to this channel to check out this new video. Today's video I'm doing this neutral eye tutorial. I asked you guys on Instagram, I did a poll if you guys wanted to see a colorful look or a neutral eye look, and most of you guys said neutral eye. So this is the look I came up with. I absolutely love the outcome of it. I think it's so pretty. I hope you guys love it as much as I love it. And yeah, so if you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, definitely just keep on watching. So for today's palette, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35 O palette. I absolutely love this palette. This palette is amazing. So I'm going to be doing a neutral eye today. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a neutral eye or a colorful eye, and it was 50-50. At one point it was like 75 to something else, and then it went back up to 50-50. So I'm gonna do a neutral eye today because I've done a bit colorful looks, and I guess not many people want to see a colorful look. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. No, that one. Yeah. Just gonna dust that in my crease, just as a light transition shade. I'm using a Luxie tapered blending. This is the, it's almost like rubbed off, but it's the 205. You guys have been asking for a neutral looking eye, so that's what I'm going to give you guys. I have been doing a lot of colorful looks lately, so I thought, you know what, let's give them a neutral eye. And if you don't know, that is what Instagram chose. So if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on there. Take a brown, darker brown shade, and take this shade right here. This shade as well as this shade. And I'm going to mix these two and go in next. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit more, or a lot more I should say. So this is the eye look I have come up with so far. I'm really liking it. And I've shown you guys the shades that I've used. I'm just finessing these shades onto my lid. And now, you know, I'm just making them work. I'm using the MAC 217 brush too. I need multiple of these. Alright, so now that I have that down, I think I'm going to cut the crease, and then we're going to go back in with that dark shade and then blend that into the cut crease. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia highlighter, and I'm just going to, I think, use that. As well as I'm going to use the shimmer shade in the 35O palette. I'm going to place this highlighter on the lid. I'm going to go in with the 35O palette. I'm going to go in with the shimmer shade. Actually, both the shimmer shades, I've hit pan on both of them. Really easy. I've also hit pan on the Anastasia shade that I used too, so you know they're really good and I love them. Now I'm going to go back in with the MAC brush and just blend that deep shade. So we got that eye done. Now we're gonna do that side. We like this neutral glam look. I'm actually loving it. Took the dark shade on, this is the Luxie 217 brush, and that deep shade a little bit, and I'm going to place that also on the outer half of the cut crease, just to define it even more. And go back in with my blending brush. Where did I put my blending brush? There it is. And blend. How perfect this matches. Oh, this is my favorite shade. This is Fun Fact. Just so if any brand ever wanted to send me something that was like a foundation, I am a medium dark with a neutral undertone. Fun fact. There you go. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer and using the Makeup Revolution in C8. I'm trying a new shade. So for lashes today, I'm using my Dodo Lashes D312s, and these are what they look like. And then mascara today, I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. So I'm going to go put those on really fast and do my mascara on top and bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. So lashes and mascara are on, and now on to the rest of the face. I'm going to do this section right here. So I'm going to be using my Starlit Honeymoon palette from Gerard Cosmetics. Thinking, guys, of the lip. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial as much as I did. I enjoyed creating it. I hope you guys enjoyed recreating it if you end up doing that. And yeah, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. Let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you go, as well as hit that red subscribe button below. I would love to have you on my channel. And yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.